Elite Water Damage is a emergency service-based mitigation company. So we handle water damage cleanup, sewage damage cleanups, mold remediation, fire and smoke damage. We are prepared 24/7 to handle any disaster. We're prepared, equipped, and staffed to handle any situation that comes at us on a daily basis. Some companies will advertise they're 24/7, but then you hear stories that they're not responding that way. But we are truly 24/7. I've had crews dispatch 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Last winter, on Christmas Day, we had a flood of calls from a storm, and I had people working all day long on Christmas Day to clean up people's houses because they were in an emergency situation. We are a independent, non-franchise business, so local, family-owned type business. So if you're calling Elite, you're getting the same people time after time. With in a franchise situation, you might not know which franchise you're getting depending on what town you live in. If you call that number, you can call the number 24/7, and a live person will answer the phone. It's not being answered by a call, answering service. It's being answered by an employee of the company that can help you with your situation right away.